So as you guys know, I love coming to Pinmill, and I thought, hey, let's get a drone down. I know a guy called Sam, and link in the description to his Instagram. He has bought a drone down for me to get the shots that I can't get on my camera because the mud's just too much. And we're getting this big boat that we can't get to last time, that one. And if you guys remember, there was no other boat here. So this boat has been added and it's crashed into this one. And it makes for some really nice scenic photos. And the reason why I'm here again is because every time I come here I try to add something new. I try to add something different to this video when we come and see these boats. And this is probably the best thing, like a drone view of these boats. So please hit that like button, please subscribe, and I really hope you enjoy this one. This one's gonna be special because this is my first ever drone footage. So yeah, see you all later and enjoy. So here is the big new boat, and Jesus, that is massive. I wonder what it was for. It might have been like, I doubt it was a fishing boat. I think that was just like personal use, I reckon. Maybe to do a couple of trips out fishing, but I can't imagine it was much more than that. Maybe, I don't know. That's what I love about this place. What I love about this place is you don't actually know anything about these boats. You can just like think about it and you just use your own imagination. And like for me, I have a story with every one of these boats. Like these ones were probably just out over here, just chilling. Like almost like a weekend boat, just something, just take out with your family. Whereas the for sale one, I think that's always been for sale and it's always been dead. You got this one which reminds me of a style of a fishing boat. Same as that one over there, it's like a personal use boat. But these ones were made for something completely different. And I have no clue and I really want to know. And down here, you can see how far people have tried to get out to the boat. And it's so hard. I'm not trying to do it this time. I never will try again because I haven't got walking boots. I've just got work boots on, so. So I just met two of the coolest dudes ever. Cider in one hand, and they were like talking to me. They're like, do you know the history on this place? A little bit like how Liam Gallagher speaks. And I was like, no, not really. I just come here and make videos, and like I've made a few at Broom Hill and stuff like locally. And they were like, oh, what's your YouTube channel? And I gave it to him, and they're both about, one was around late 40s and one was like 50s, under some alcohol. And they were like, oh, I love this sort of stuff. And I was like, yeah, cool. And he was talking about cameras, and I said I recommend this one, the Canon EOS 200D, because it's so lightweight and easy to use and stuff like that. And I was like, do you want to have a go? And he was like, what, really? I was like, yeah. And he went and like, he literally leaned down here, and I'll drop the photo in the video now. The photo was insane. I was like, what? Guys, how are you doing this? I was like, just make the rest of my video for me. And he, apparently he does this a lot. He has an eye for photography, and I was like, man, thank you. Like, he's like, keep the photo, you know? It makes you money, send it my way. It's like, sure, but thank you so much. It's crazy, some of the people you meet out here, like, with my channel, I've met so many people through my channel, like, doing this, like Jake, Lee, Sam. I've got Jace, who I work with, but I never done stuff with Jace before this. And like, yeah, just people like that. I never it's just people I never would have met before because I never had an interest. But then I picked up a camera, watched a bit of Josh when I broke my foot, and bam, I'm involved. Anyway, I'm gonna carry on getting footage here. These drone photos and videos are insane what Sam's got, so honestly I can't thank him enough for this. Anyway. Right, that is the end of the video, guys, of the abandoned boats at Pin Mill. If you do come down, don't wreck them, please. I name them because it's a photogenic place and I want people to come and see it, but I don't want you to trash it. Hope the drone shots were so good from, do you want to introduce?
Sam.
There you go.
There we go.
What's your Instagram?
SamFam96.
There you go. Go give him a follow. I got him on the video finally. He's like, so from now on, whenever I have videos and stuff I'm doing with drones, he will be the cameraman for stuff like that. I'll still have this one, but he will be the drone man. And yeah, I'm starting to maybe expand Ben's life a little bit. Maybe. Anyway, please hit that like button, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.